Have you ever solved a math question quickly, only to realize the answer was wrong? The reason is usually a simple rule called BODMAS. In aptitude tests, placement exams, banking exams, and competitive exams, BODMAS questions appear very frequently. In this video, you'll learn the BODMAS rule and solve some interesting questions step by step. Let's begin. BODMAS tells us the correct order of operations. First, solve brackets, then orders or powers. Next, division, then multiplication. After that, addition, and finally, subtraction. If you don't follow this order, you'll often get the wrong answer. Let's start with an easy one. 8 plus 2 multiplied by 5. Pause the video and try to solve it. According to BODMAS, multiplication comes before addition. 2 multiplied by 5 equals 10. 8 plus 10 equals 18. The correct answer is B, 18. Now let's try another one. 20 divided by 5 multiplied by 2. Many students get confused here. Division and multiplication have the same priority, so we solve from left to right. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. 4 multiplied by 2 equals 8. The answer is 8. Let's increase the difficulty slightly. 15 minus 3 multiplied by 4. Multiplication comes before subtraction. 3 multiplied by 4 equals 12. 15 minus 12 equals 3. The correct answer is 3. Now we have brackets. According to BODMAS, brackets are solved first. 12 plus 8 equals 20. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. The answer is 4. Again, brackets first. 3 multiplied by 2 equals 6. Now solve 18 divided by 6. The result is 3. So the correct answer is B. This question combines multiple operations. Remember, division and multiplication are solved from left to right. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. 2 multiplied by 2 equals 4. Now add 7. 7 plus 4 equals 11. The answer is 11. Great job! Today you learned the BODMAS rule and solved 6 important simplification questions. Whenever you see a simplification problem, remember this order: brackets, orders, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Following this simple rule can help you avoid mistakes in aptitude tests and competitive exams. How many questions did you answer correctly? Comment your score below. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Aptologic for more aptitude questions, reasoning tricks. See you in the next challenge.